Hello everyone, good night. This is a follow-up of the January 7, 2024 snowstorm. Just giving you an update of what it looks like after the snowstorm, and then we have to dig ourselves out because when the plow trucks come through, they banked us in. So we have to make all efforts to clear the way so we can come out of our driveway. And so this one is a big driveway, and so we have to take our time and little by little do this workout to make it right so we can come out of the driveway. So this is how it looks after the storm. Road is clear. We have to clean our way out of the snow. So this is it. Just an update of what it looks like after cleaning up, or presently cleaning up. My John Deere isn't working, so we have to manually do this. So it's just what it is. Just a little hard work. It won't kill. It will help us to be more fit, healthy, and strong. Plus, the hair is nice and crisp and clean, and we are enjoying it. So, just to give you an update, have a blessed day. See you later.